LegalZoom online business compliance pricing explained what you get for your money. Most business owners assume staying compliant with state regulations is expensive and complicated, but the surprising truth is that LegalZoom simplifies compliance at a transparent cost. LegalZoom's business compliance services start at per month for basic features including annual report filing reminders, compliance calendars, and access to state-specific forms. Premium packages range up to per month, adding services like registered agent support, document filing, and unlimited phone consultations with business specialists. For example, a small business owner can use LegalZoom to ensure their LC files annual reports on time, maintains a registered agent, and keeps compliance documents organized, all without hiring an in-house legal team. The platform also sends reminders and provides guidance to prevent penalties or lapses. Most users report that LegalZoom saves both time and money by consolidating compliance tasks into one easy-to-use platform. Transparency in pricing and predictable monthly costs make it easy to budget for these services without surprise fees. In conclusion, LegalZoom online business compliance offers excellent value. From affordable basic plans to comprehensive premium packages, it helps businesses stay compliant efficiently and reliably.